Hello everybody, my name is Violeta Laverde and I choose the topic The Seven Wonders of the World for this assignment. The main objectives that I want my students to learn are to discuss the seven wonders with confidence, explain where they are located, and also, they can be able to identify each of them. And this activity is for eighth grade. The number of students is around 14. The length of the activity is going to be 90 minutes. The place that I choose to develop this activity is the computer lab. That would be ideal to work in that place if possible. And the skills, we will work the four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. I think we will have the opportunity to watch videos, to listen, to other speakers, the teacher, and also students. They have to perform a presentation, so the other students have the opportunity to listen to them and speak also. They have to read because they have to research about the topic. They have to write because they have to take notes about what their classmates are talking about. And also, I would let you know the resources that I would need. I would need a video about the topic. I would use an interactive presentation with photographs, videos, and maps. I would use internet, a video projector, computers, notebooks, and a pencil. I would start with a warming up activity, and it's like present the audio and the photographs about the topic, the video. And after that, I will ask some questions such as what do you like the most about these places? Where do you think they are located? Why do you think they are so important for humankind? Questions like that. After that, I will show them a large map with their locations, so they can relate these places with the globe map. Okay, I also ask them to create a presentation, an oral presentation, using a media that I will provide them. And it's this one. Let me show you. Genuinely has it, and it's so easy to use, so they can explore here. So I assign the places in groups by two. So for example, two students are gonna work on the Great Wall, the other ones on the Taj Mahal. We have Machu Picchu, so they have to come to this place, click, and start checking this. You will see. Okay, so we have different little links here, so they can see the highest point of the Great Wall. They can see a hidden wonder. So they click here and they can read and check these pictures. No, so we can close it here. And according what I said, they have to create their presentation with this multimedia game, or yeah, this is like a tool. So I will provide this tool to them, so they have to explore and then create their short presentations in pairs. So after that, look, they can see where they are. This is Chichen Itza, Machu Picchu, Christ the Redeemer, Colosseum. Okay. And when they finish researching and exploring this website, they have to present using the video projector and the interactive tool. The rest of the students are going to be quiet and listening, and each team has like 10 minutes to perform their presentation. Okay, the students will be evaluated during, class discussions and the oral presentations. we have to be aware that they're going to be asking questions among them. So that would be a reference for me. So I can check their knowledge and their understanding. So I will also let them create a game, but that's going to be a homework, an assignment, and it's going to be the heart of their grade. So they have to be very creative. So we can say that they're not going to stop working on that topic um, only during this lesson, but they have to be working at home in person. So when they create this game, they have to present it to the class, and that way I would be able to evaluate again. So it's great to know. The conclusion, I would present this topic to them because I want my students to gain knowledge about the seven wonders. They get a wide idea and understanding of the importance of humankind's history and the places where they occur, where things happen. And I also want to awake students' interest in different social science topics um, using didactics strategies that let them, learn better. Um, and this is it. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. Bye bye.